Although Klarna is not directly available at Amazon checkout, you can still use Klarna to pay for your purchases on Amazon by following these steps. Download the Klarna app. Download the Klarna app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and sign in or create an account. Create a one-time virtual card. In the Klarna app, go to the Shop tab and search for Amazon. Once you select Amazon, Klarna will redirect you to Amazon's website or app. Before adding items to your cart, tap on Create a one-time card in the Klarna app. Choose your payment plan. Shop on Amazon. Add the items you wish to purchase on Amazon to your cart. When ready to check out, copy the virtual card details generated by Klarna. Enter the Klarna card at checkout. On the Amazon payment page, select Add a payment method and input the Klarna virtual card details. Complete your purchase. Manage payments. Klarna will pay Amazon, and you will repay Klarna according to the installment plan you chose. Payments are tracked and managed in the Klarna app.